Access floor specialists teamed up with the Fred Oliveri Construction Company to provide the raised access floor for Stark County Public Library's new Jackson branch. The new branch was designed by HBM Architecture. The design called for a raised access floor with underfloor utility distribution. This design provides many benefits for libraries, including supporting heavy bookshelf loads, single pass conditioned air into the occupied zone, and access to power and data cables, which will allow the library to place new technologies anywhere in the branch as they become available. Now that we know why a raised access floor was used, let's discuss the construction process. After the building's shell and core are complete, with rough-in MEP, Access Floor Specialist performs layout, constructs a mock-up, and holds a pre-construction meeting with other trades in the field.
So, thinking that we'd be able to pull 1,000 pounds right here 1 inch above the base. Okay, I'm not that strong. So I'm gonna take 18 inches, which is up here. I'm gonna pull that lateral motion of 1,000 pounds. That means I need to get 55.5 pounds on the gauge. So it'll go, and I'm gonna break this. I'm either gonna break this, I'm gonna break the weld, or I'm gonna pull the glue off. Okay. All right, 0. $79 pounds.
Once the mock-up and layout are approved, construction of the raised access floor is set to begin. First, bases are arranged on a 2 foot by 2 foot grid. This grid is carefully placed to avoid other trades work. Next, heads are placed into each base. Each head can be manually adjusted, and the next step is to laser level each head to correct for any imperfections in the concrete subfloor. Once the heads are level, the bases are glued down with an aggressive adhesive, which we saw earlier can withstand more than 1,600 pounds of force 1 inch off of the floor. Finally, the panels are installed and all 4 corners are screwed into each pedestal head. The new Jackson Library is approximately 9,100 square feet, and Access Floor Specialists was able to complete construction of the raised floor system in just over a week's time with a crew of 8. At the perimeter, panels are cut and modified to fit all unique conditions. Any panel that is modified receives an extra base to support the middle of the panel. To complete construction, all penetrations in the access floor are sealed to secure the HVAC plenum under the floor. Stark County Jackson branch was complete in March and finally had its ribbon cutting in September of 2020.